loss of connection with nature unfolded gradually, intertwined with the evolution of human societies and technology. Historically, humans lived in close harmony with nature, deeply relying on its rhythms and resources. However, the advent of agriculture, industrialization, and digital technology has increasingly separated us from the natural world. In the early days, cultural practices and daily rituals ensured we stayed attuned to nature. Indigenous cultures, for example, fostered a deep spiritual and practical connection with the environment. But with the rise of mechanized farming, urbanization, and digital evolution, our direct interactions with nature have diminished significantly. So the consequences of this disconnection are very profound. We face increased mental health issues such as anxiety and depression, often linked to a lack of time spent outdoors and the absence of natural stimuli in our lives. Ecologically, our detachment has led to widespread environmental degradation, loss of biodiversity, and climate change. So as we exploit resources without regard for the intricate balance of ecosystems. So the notion that we have conquered nature is a misguided and anthropocentric perspective. In reality, we are part of nature, subject to its laws and limits. The belief in our dominion over it has led to unsustainable practices that threatened our very survival. Healing this rupture involves reestablishing our connection with the natural world. We do that through mindful and intentional practices. Operant conditioning can be instrumental in this process. For example, response cost. Implement policies that penalize harmful environmental actions, such as fines for pollution or habitat destruction. This method disincentivizes behaviors that damage nature. 2. Time out. Encourage societal timeouts for reflection and reconnection with nature. For instance, community retreats, technology-free weekends, or designated nature immersion days can help. Us individuals reset their relationship with the environment. Then there's token economy, initiating programs that reward conservation efforts. So, for example, offer incentives for planting trees, conserving water, or reducing waste, such as tax breaks, subsidies, or even community recognition. Shaping. This is gradually cultivating eco-friendly habits by reinforcing small, positive steps towards sustainability. This could include rewarding individuals or organizations for reducing their carbon footprint, using renewable energy, or supporting local biodiversity. So, by integrating these operant conditioning strategies into our daily lives and societal structures, we can foster a renewed respect and connection with nature, ultimately leading to a happier planet and healthier people. And the happiest I ever been was when I was living with Stanford students in Northern California, and we would water the plants in Stanford every weekend. It built connection. I felt like I was a part of something, and I felt very connected to nature. And we had intellectual talks once a week for an hour or two, and they were very intellectually stimulating. But it would be wonderful to create a community like that. Take care, my friends.